Social Emotional Theories of Development. Erik Erikson. Industry versus inferiority. Erik Erikson proposed that we are motivated by a need to achieve competence in certain areas of our lives. As we've learned in previous chapters, Erikson's psychosocial theory has 8 stages of development over the lifespan, from infancy through late adulthood. At each stage, there is a conflict or task that we need to resolve. Successful completion of each developmental task results in a sense of competence and a healthy personality. Failure to master these tasks lead to feelings of inadequacy. During the elementary school stage, ages 6 to 12, children face the task of industry versus inferiority. Children begin to compare themselves to their peers to see how they measure up. They develop a sense of pride and accomplishment in their schoolwork, sports, social activities, and family life. Or they feel inferior and inadequate when they don't measure up. According to Erikson, children in middle childhood are very busy or industrious. They are constantly doing, planning, playing, getting together with friends, and achieving. This is a very active time and a time when they are gaining a sense of how they measure up when compared with friends. Erikson believed that if these industrious children can be successful in their endeavors, they will get a sense of confidence for future challenges. If not, a sense of inferiority can be particularly haunting during middle childhood. Sigmund Freud, Psychoanalytic Theory. The great psychoanalyst Sigmund Freud, 1856 to 1939, focused on unconscious biological forces that he felt shape individual personality. Freud thought that the personality consists of 3 parts: the id, the ego, and the superego. The id is the selfish part of the personality and consists of biological instincts that all babies have, including the need for food and, more generally, the demand for immediate gratification. As babies get older, they learn that not all their needs can be immediately satisfied, and thus they develop the ego, or the rational part of the personality. As children get older still, they internalize society's norms and values, and thus begin to develop their superego, which represents society's conscience. If a child does not develop normally, and the superego does not become strong enough, the individual is more at risk for being driven by the id to commit antisocial behavior.